In front of me is Google Pixel 6a, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called System. Now you need to scroll here and choose Gestures. Finally, select one-handed mode. Let's start with Tricky's navigation. If you are using it, use one-handed mode option won't be accessible to you. You can still use one-handed mode. To do that, scroll and use this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut. Hit Got It, and then tap on this shortcut to enter or exit one-handed mode whenever you want to. You can even hold it and move it around to place it perfectly on your screen. If you want to exit one-handed mode, you can also click on this area at the top or swipe up. Now, most people miss that you should tap on one-handed mode shortcut on the left and check out all of those options, not only shortcut 1. Quick Settings, Accessibility button, which is the one we are using now, and volume keys. Whatever you decided, just tap on it and try it. Either way, let's go back and disable it to check out how to use one-handed mode if you are using gesture navigation. I will change it real quick to show you. Go back to one-handed mode section, which is this one here, and enable use one-handed mode by tapping on this switcher to make it blue. Now you need to follow this animation here to use it. If you still can't use it, make sure full screen into reach is on. Either way, swipe down from the bottom of your screen to enter one-handed mode. Swipe up to go back or tap on this area. To disable it fully, use the same now blue switcher, and to go back to Tricky's navigation, go back to System Settings, hit Navigation Mode, and tap on 3 button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!